In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable NSFW settings in Grok. So if you want to access mature content settings or check whether the feature is available on your account, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Grok app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open the navigation panel. Next, tap the settings icon located near the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the Enable NSFW option. If the setting is available on your account, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. However, if you can't find the NSFW setting, don't worry. Some features are released gradually and may not be available to every account at the same time. In that case, make sure your Grok app is updated to the latest version available. You can also use the Report Issue option within the app and let the support team know that the NSFW setting is missing from your account. Once the feature becomes available, it should appear automatically in your settings menu after a future update. And that's how you can enable NSFW settings in Grok. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Grok tutorials and AI guides.